Welcome back, fellow hobbyists. In this episode, I'll be painting the card players from Tabletop World's Kickstarter. These models were designed and 3D printed by Tiny Furniture. In today's video, we'll also explore the art of batch painting, a technique that can boost your miniature painting efficiency while maintaining a consistent level of quality. Batch painting involves painting multiple miniatures at once, speeding up the process. We'll dive into some essential tips and tricks to help you master this method. Before we get started, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more miniature painting insights. First of all, think about whether it's worth painting in batches. Models with similar themes or color scheme will be easier to paint in batch. In our case, the card players are similar in their posture. They also have unique accessories and areas where there are intricate details, like their faces. We'll focus on painting those details only after the batch process. For now, let's take a look at their clothes. Although they are slightly different, they're all dressed as commoners, and therefore we can paint them with similar colors. If you're batch painting a squad of soldiers, for instance, work on all the helmets, then all the uniforms, then all the boots. This minimizes the need to constantly switch colors. Here we can paint the sweater of one of the figures the same color as the pants of another. However, to create variety, we'll need to use a few different colors. The important thing is to paint all the clothes that are the same color on each of the three models before changing color. For this reason, it's best to use a wet palette to keep the paint fresh and workable for long periods, especially when painting a large quantity of models. If you're painting a unit, choosing a limited palette will also make it easier to ensure a cohesive look. Batch painting is about efficiency, but it shouldn't feel rushed. It's important to be consistent and reproduce the same level of quality on each model. Regularly take a look at your work to ensure consistency. Make any necessary adjustments to keep the quality equal on all the miniatures. Another important aspect not to be overlooked is taking breaks. Batch painting can be repetitive. Take short breaks to rest your eyes and hands, to avoid fatigue and maintain a steady hand. Also, properly thinning your paints ensures smooth and even application. Thin layers dry faster and are least likely to obscure details. Batch painting can be time-consuming, so stay patient and focused. Don't rush. The goal is to achieve consistent quality across all miniatures. Now that the batch painting process is over, it's time to detail the faces and make each model unique. If you use certain techniques along the way, or a color mix that works well, make a note of it. This can help you replicate successful results in the future. This is especially true if you're painting an army made up of multiple units. you found these tips useful. Feel free to share your thoughts or ask any questions in the comment section below. Have you ever painted in batches? Next up in the Altburg Market series, I'll be painting the other waitress and the waiter using the layering technique. Also, I picked up the Cities of Sigmar Army box during a recent online purchase from the Fenris Workshop store. So I'm gonna do an unboxing video very soon. Is it the start of the Age of Sigmar adventure for me? We'll see. For those who would like to know more about my favorite hobby store, Fenris Workshop, I'll leave a link in the video description. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep on painting and take care.